How to control your notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the your time on Facebook. Okay, you can tap this. Here in your time on Facebook, scroll down and you can see here the control your notifications. So you can choose which Facebook notification you receive and where you get them. So you can tap the C settings button on this control your notification. Here in control your notification, so you can choose which Facebook notification you receive and where you get them. So here in notification settings, choose which Facebook notification you get. You can also mute push notification. So you can tap this and you can turn on or mute push notification by switching on the switch button on the right side. So if you mute push notification, so the pop-up below are show, and for my example, I set into 1 hour. Notification will be mute for 1 hour. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the mute push notification. And also you can set the what notification you receive. So in comment, so you can tap this and you can turn on or off where you receive this notification. So for my example, I turn off the push, I turn on the email, and I turn off the SMS. And also you can set these settings below. And another, the where you receive this notification by turn on or off the push, email, and SMS. So these settings will not impact the notification that others admin receive. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully control your notifications on Facebook. And also you can set the notification dot, so you can edit preferences for showing notification dots on shortcuts. So you can tap this and choose where you see notification dots on the navigation bar. So for example, I turn off the video, the marketplace, and also the menu, the notification dots on this. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully controlled your notification on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.